Okay, one of the problems with jet skis is storage over the winter. Not everybody can fit their jet ski into their garage, so often they'll live in carports, sheds, or outside under covers, not always near a power point. Problem then becomes you're unable to get power to charge up your battery, which means battery has to come out, go into the garage for the off season to stay on the battery charger. What we've done is made a little quick connect that goes onto to the battery and allows you to remove the battery with the quick connect nice and easily, and when you refit it at the beginning of next summer, you don't have the problems that we see with people having poor battery terminals or dropping the screws into the bottom of the holes, another common one, and not being able to find them. So it just tidies that up, makes it quick and simple. Once the kit's installed, the removal goes like this. So once you've popped the battery out of the ski and you've got it sitting on your bench, attaching it to the charger is as simple as removing the small protective cap on the C-Tek, plugging in your C-Tek quick connect charger, and then switching the unit on at the wall. You'll get green light saying the power's on the C-Tek, and it'll show it going through the stages of battery charging. You can leave that plugged in and just forget about it. When you're ready to use that battery again with the C-Tek on the whole time, it'll be good to go.